The new S-Class comes with multi-beam LED that enables quick, precise adjustment of the driving lines to the current road and traffic conditions. The light can always be switched on precisely where it is required via 84 individual controllable LEDs. A total of 4 control units calculate the ideal light pattern 100 times per second using information from a camera behind the windscreen. The innovative technology extends and perfects the familiar functions of the intelligent light system. Adaptive high beam assist plus a feature of multi-beam LED allows main beam to be left on at all times without dazzling other road users. As a result, the best possible headlamp range is always available to our drivers. The function is active from a speed of 30 kilometers on unlit roads. The rear end design boldly demonstrates the power and dynamism that the new S-Class embodies. New crystal look rear lamps have the appearance of jewels, while 3 horizontally running fiber optic elements serve as a defining design feature. The rear lamps show a characteristic design by day as well as night. The advantages of the LED technology include better visibility, considerably longer operating life, and lower power consumption than conventional bulbs. The light intensity of the turn signal indicators and brake light varies according to the prevailing light conditions and the vehicle speed. With its large glazed areas, this roof system ensures a particularly bright and welcoming ambience in the interior. It consists of a fixed panoramic glass rear section and an electrically operated glass front section sliding on outside rails with a meshed air deflector. In addition, 2 electric roller sunblinds provide shade for the occupants in strong sunlight. The panoramic sliding roof has numerous useful functions for a high level of traveling comfort. And in the raised position, the glass roof automatically adjusts in 3 stages to suit the current vehicle speed. The S-Class will be available in 2 variants, the S350 diesel and the S450. Under the hood, the S350D is loaded with the OM 656 engine, a 3-liter turbocharged inline 6-cylinder diesel engine. For a driving enthusiasts, the S350D completes a 0 to 100 sprint in flat 6.0 seconds, thanks to the 20 kilowatt increase in power. The S450 comes with a V6 petrol engine that can sprint from 0 to 100 in a mere 5.1 seconds, thanks to the 25 kilowatt increase in power. Both cars have been electrically limited to a top speed of 250 kilometers per hour. Our revolutionary 9G-tronic 9-speed automatic transmission changes between the gears quickly, offering an extremely high level of gear shift quality. The high overall efficiency reduces fuel consumption and emissions, making an important contribution to an ecological driving style without compromising on driving enjoyment. The new S-Class comes with Airmatic suspension. It works in combination with a stepless damping control system. This air suspension system ensures a comfortable journey and can be tuned to suit varied driving characteristics based on the road conditions. The damping is adjusted on each wheel to the actual driving situation and can be set to be comfortable or sporty as desired. Thanks to the pneumatic all-round self-leveling suspension, the vehicle maintains a constant level, irrespective of the payload, to increase ground clearance on poor surfaces or ramps. The suspension can be raised up by the driving assistance package, which means more stress relief, more safety, as well as more protection. The new generation 3-spoke design multifunction steering wheel in Napa leather stands for the high-class look and feel of the S-Class. It comes with touch control buttons with which the driver can also set the active distance assist, DISTRONIC function, and the cruise control directly on the steering wheel. The widescreen cockpit display and high-resolution media display is made under a one-piece glass panel. The display style of the widescreen cockpit can be set to either classic, sporty, or progressive. The new ergonomic touch control buttons allow intuitive control of most functions. There is an innovative integrated cruise control in the left-hand grip area as well. And the new S-Class comes with ambient light in 64 colors. It showcases the high-class interior like a work of art with the futuristic displays in HD resolution, select materials, and indicates the general sense of spaciousness. Of course, this looks the best during journeys at night. This creates emotively appealing contrasts and structures the interior in 3 levels. 8 color schemes can be each combined with 2 color tones. They are initially oriented towards the display style of the widescreen cockpit, either classic, sporty, or progressive. The electrically adjustable rear seats offer tailor-made travel comfort. The backrests of the 2 outer luxury seats can be reclined to an angle of up to 43.5 degrees. Rear seat comfort package features multi-control seats with inflatable air chambers for even more individualized adjustment. The energizing massage function enhances the sense of well-being, if desired, also using heat. Finally, the extending length business console of the first-class rear suite transforms the rear into a mobile office with 2 individual seats. 2 12-volt sockets and temperature-controlled cup holders, as well as optional features such as folding tables, make for a comfortable traveling as well as working environment. The new S-Class comes with rear seat entertainment package as standard, which means our S-Class owners can now enjoy their films on Blu-ray, DVD, TV, internet, video games, as well as music. The individual entertainment system gives passengers in the rear their very own personal entertainment space. In combination with high optimal quality wireless headsets, 2 10.2-inch displays on the front seat backrests ensure brilliant picture and sound quality. The system is conveniently operated using a remote control. It includes a Blu-ray player, it's networked with command online, and also has ports for connecting external devices. The passengers are each able to access the entertainment source of their choice individually. What you see here is a world-class wireless charging system. Our customers can simply put their own device down and charge it. The wireless charging system in the rear requires no plug-in connectors. Mobile devices that support the QI standard can be charged on the charging surface in the armrest itself. And the Bluetooth handset belonging to the business telephony in the rear is integrated in the rear armrest, where it is clearly visible and readily accessible. It is also charged automatically here. The system offers a dedicated hands-free zone in the rear. I know you would rather see these features for yourself, and here we go.
Mercedes-Benz, the best or nothing.
So the new S-Class comes with radar-based driving assistance systems. Please note that these assistance systems refer to our only aids. The responsibility continues to be with the driver, of course, and I guess we still take a while in developing robot cars. All systems for safe parking and maneuvering are available only with active parking assist activated. Driving assistance packages with safety and assistance system can take the strain off the driver with the respective system links. reduce the risk of accidents, and enhance the protection of occupants as well as other road users. The following are the ones that come to India, like active distance assist. DISTRONIC controls the distance to vehicles in front up to a speed of 210 kilometers, and if necessary, brakes the vehicle with up to 50% of the maximum braking power. At speeds up to 210 kilometers, active steering assist helps the driver keep the vehicle in the center of its lane on straight stretches or road or slightly even bends. Let the actions speak louder than words here.
Active Steer Assist supports lateral control of the vehicle by helping the driver to keep it in the center of the lane. When clear lane markings are detected, the system keeps the vehicle on track up to a speed of 210 kilometers per hour, even in slight bends. Where the lane markings are unclear, for example, where there are roadworks, the system is still able to remain active by taking into account other vehicles and parallel structures such as guardrails and barriers. Even without markings, under suitable circumstances, the lateral guidance function assists the driver up to 130 kilometers per hour. This intelligent swarm behavior greatly improves the standard of driving.
So active braking assist, emergency braking function can help to avoid or lessen the consequences of accidents with vehicles in front and pedestrians. Don't believe me? You can see for yourself again.
Active Brake Assist, which is included as standard, warns an inattentive driver if there is an impending danger of a collision with vehicles and crossing pedestrians, helps to prevent an accident, and if necessary, intervenes with autonomous braking. When the system's radar detects the danger of a collision with a vehicle ahead, it first reacts with a visual and acoustic warning. If the driver then operates the brake pedal, but not firmly enough, Active Brake Assist will increase the brake pressure accordingly. Both functions operate in a speed range from 7 to 250 kilometers per hour. If there is no driver reaction, the system initiates autonomous braking at speeds up to 200 kilometers per hour. At up to 60 kilometers per hour, standard specification Active Brake Assist also reacts to stationary vehicles and crossing pedestrians in the danger zone in front of the vehicle, and is therefore able to avoid accidents at typical urban driving speeds by autonomous braking, or to mitigate their severity.
The last, but surely not the least, the blind spot assist can warn the driver of vehicles in the blind spot during a lane change and help to avoid a collision through one-sided brake application. How cool is that? This can surely avoid many accidents.
In the basic version, Blind Spot Assist warns of impending side collisions with other vehicles when changing lanes. When the radar sensors register another vehicle in or about to enter the blind spot, a red hazard warning triangle appears in the relevant exterior mirror.
So we believe the best products deserve the best service, and we are committed to deliver the best for our discerning customers. At Mercedes-Benz India, our after-sales strategy has been successful and bearing fruits as we grow our market share. In India, we lead the pack in offering the best, most flexible and cost-effective service packages under our My Mercedes, My Service umbrella. Mercedes-Benz has been able to drive successfully low cost of ownership for our customers. A testimony of all these initiatives is reflected in the 2017 JD Power After Sales Customer Satisfaction Index, which ranks Mercedes-Benz India as the highest in after-sales service satisfaction with a score of 862. I'm glad to tell you that the Star E service package for the S450 starts at 80,000 rupees, and for the S350D, it starts as 140,000 rupees for a period of 2 years. The total cost of ownership of the new S-Class is actually lower than the outgoing model. So despite several additions to achieve the Bharat J6 tech breakthrough, we have made every effort from our end to ensure the cost of these advancements in technology is not passed on to our customers. These customer-focused packages offering various options and flexibility, can last up to 10 years from the date of sale for a hassle-free ownership experience. We did this keeping in mind one important thing: peace of mind for our customers. Here is a look at the latest of this engineering marvel.
The leader, the best. While the Mercedes-Benz S-Class has sat at the pinnacle of automotive excellence for generations, we have never settled on past glory. That has always been our challenge and our mission, to continually innovate and push technologies forward, to shape the future of every automobile to come. On each S-Class there lies a simple badge, and it serves as a timeless reminder, in a constant call, to never rest on laurels and forever earn the star. This is the car the world looks to. This is the 2018 S-Class from Mercedes-Benz. The best or nothing.
So let's have some pictures now. Mr. Folger, if you could turn towards the left first. Face the left, please. And now if you could and now facing forward. Looking up straight ahead. All right, so I think we're good now. And I believe you have something very interesting to tell us. So I request you all to please go ahead and be seated again. You'll have ample opportunities to take pictures later. Thank you. Over to you, Mr. Folger.
Yeah, and let's not further delay. So please, ladies, gentlemen, the moment we all have been waiting for, the price. So you better sit down. The S350 diesel is priced at 1.33 crore rupees, ex-showroom India, and the S450 is priced at 1.37 crore rupees, ex-showroom India. So thank you very much again for coming and joining us here. It's been as usually a pleasure. So again, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Folger. Thank you so much for being here with us, ladies and gentlemen. As always, we have a fantastic buffet and lunch spread out there for you to enjoy, so please go ahead and indulge. And if you have any further questions, please get in touch with our wonderful Mercedes-Benz India team. Thank you.